Why does your mind refuse to stay quiet? No matter how hard you try. You sit to meditate, and within seconds, thoughts take over. You feel distracted, restless, may even frustrated, and then you think maybe meditation is not for me. But here is the truth. This problem was explained thousands of years ago in ancient Indian psychology, like Patanjali Yoga Sutras. व्याधिस्त्यान संशय प्रमाद आलस्य विरति भ्रांति दर्शनम आलब्ध भूमिकत्वानवस्थितत्वानि चित्त विक्षेपास्त्रे अंतराया. It means there are 9 hidden obstacles that stop mind from becoming still. One is vyadhi, means illness. Styan means sluggishness. Sansay means doubt. Pramad means negligence. Alasya means laziness. Avirati means distractions. Bhranti darshan means misconception. Alabdha bhumikatva means lack of progress. Anavasthitatva, instability. It's not your fault. Your mind is simply untrained. Here is how to fix it. Step 1. Focus on your breath. Just observe in and out. In and out. Step 2. Use a simple sound like Om. Om. Silently in your mind. Step 3. Start small. Even 2 minutes is enough. Do this daily, and slowly your mind will begin to settle. Less noise, more clarity, more control. Meditation is not difficult. You just need the right method. Follow for more simple insights on inner awareness.